Kilig na naman ako. Bakit na kakaiba? Okay naman. Hello, Jaja. Jim, stop hiding on your head. I know you're here. Jim. Wait, Jim, I don't know where's Jim. Shaksan, good morning. Mwah, mwah. Bye now, see you later. Regards from Finland. It's mo nice shopping day. Ismo, thank you. Ano ba yun? Maybe I came wrong eye here. I don't. I'm looking for the shop. I love you, Mani. Mahal kita, Greg. Wait, ha? Guys, when I go in the shop, because it's a gold shop, it's not allowed live. I just need to take the gold that I gave last time. I need to pay the interest. It's, when you don't have money, you can just put your gold here. But to have interest, I'll take it now. It's still closed. Still closed. I will wait until open. But it's still closed, guys. What time now? Yeah, it's still closed. They need to open 10 a.m. It's still closed. I will wait. Because after that, tomorrow, beautiful day today. Yes, it's beautiful day, Shokson. JB, thank you. I need to wait until open. Open 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. 5. Friday close. Oh! Friday close. Oh my God. Close. Friday close. Why I came here? Close pala for Friday. Because how I will come? Maybe. Even I will wait. It will not open because Friday is closed. The place looks abandoned. Oh, it's so close. Yeah, because it's my off day and I don't have time. Always, I need to pay the interest of the gold. So I'm not lucky. I need to come back maybe after my work.